My name is Alan Cantor. I'm the creator of RiskMap, which is the only solution available to enable regular humans to easily and confidently produce risk analyses with proven statistical models and systematic presentations. And RiskMap consists of three components: loss development, loss forecasting, and risk financing. We're going to be doing an analysis of ABC Company's workers' compensation. RiskMap is useful for any exposure, any type of risk. And while we do multiple analyses typically, and then separately do analysis of excess losses, today we're going to be focusing just on unlimited losses in the interest of time. RiskMap delivers actionable results. It improves presentation to underwriters for excess coverage, saves tens of thousands to millions of dollars or euros, improves loss analysis, improves risk management of frequency, severity trends, and readily illustrates these graphically with minimum possible effort. It provides valuable insights to risks and how to best manage the risks. We're going to be doing an analysis of unlimited losses today. We'll plug historical losses into loss development, calculate the developed incurred losses, copy the developed incurred losses into RiskMap loss forecasting. Then we enter historical and estimated future exposures like employees or man hours, run the loss forecast, project frequency, severity, and total loss cost. And then we plug the forecasted losses along with cost, tax rate, and other financial factors into RiskMap risk financing, and then calculate the discounted after-tax cash flow. For loss development, we plug in the historical data even with gaps, and the system automatically interpolates and calculates the loss development and payout matrix factors. On the left, we see the analysis of the loss development factors, and on the right we see the calculation of the developed and incurred and inflated losses, including the inflation factors. This is a sample of the loss analysis, the developed and incurred and inflated losses. Then we show loss development factors, cumulative loss development factors, developed and inflated losses, then an illustration of the proportion of paid losses. And that's the loss development component, and then we take the developed inflated losses and plug them into the loss forecasting, where we project frequency rate, frequency, severity, total incurred losses. It uses proven statistical modeling and methodology. We enter the historical total losses, number of claims, and exposure values. Simple as that. It automatically projects all of the outcomes. Frequency rate times exposure gives you total projected frequency. Total projected frequency times projected severity is total projected losses. All you need to do is enter the basic components on this one simple screen. Performs detailed analysis, presents simplified outcomes, simplified result, frequency, severity, and total loss cost, and then a variety of graphics for projected total losses with and without confidence intervals of 78 and 95%. Then it shows the statistics, the key statistics for frequency and severity of coefficient of variation and correlation coefficient. Correlation coefficient is the extent to which the analysis explains the result. Coefficient of variation is the measure of volatility. Then we have projected number of claims, projected cost per claim, and frequency rate of claims. And then we take all of this, we take the projected losses and all the financial factors and plug it into the variety of risk financing plans. Now, RiskMap has varying models which quickly and easily analyze any conceivable risk financing approach. That's why we have so many varieties of models, and just a fraction of them are shown here. Self-insurance, incurred loss retro, paid loss retro, guaranteed cost, captive fronting, and so on. A self-insurance analysis involves just plugging in the basic information at the top, and it generates the discounted cash flow after tax. and illustrates the results with graphics, discounted after-tax cash flow, and breakdowns of the components. Incurred loss retro model shows detailed retro calculations, discounted cash flow after tax, and breakdown of the cost components. It quickly and easily evaluates varying risk financing approaches, enables rapid testing of different sets of assumptions, and it provides a systematic approach yielding certain results with full audit trail. So we have extensive additional RiskMap analyses that provide great value and insights into virtually any risks. Only RiskMap enables you to imagine a series of assumptions and then produce the requisite analyses quickly and painlessly, yielding actionable money-saving results on a recurring basis. We want to thank you for your attention and look forward to the opportunity for a live demonstration.